Guys, andito tayo sa Wailea Shops. Bukas flight na namin. So, sasaglit lang tayo sa store. Dito sa likod ko is the LV store. Kasi dito sa Hawaii, yung mga luxury items nila, it's less than it's lower price compared sa mainland, sa California or sa US mainland. So, titingnan natin kung totoo at magkano ang masisave natin. Okay, let's go! Bago sila magsara, humabol tayo. Bye! So we go in?
LV.
Check.
Yeah, for my bag.
Wow! Let's go. Can we try? I think it's inside.
Where?
No, I can't really see. Never mind. Super cute. It's pink. These are Almy baby. I like the pink. Can you check how much? It's so cute. The 150. I like it. Ito mo how much? Okay. Try mo. Yeah. 3,200. Cute na. Hold it. Cute siya. Ang ganda rin ng size. There you go. This is the biggest tote. 2,950. Tadaan! This is bigger size. How much small? Ay, small size. How about this? This is the 3,050. Yeah, cute na. Ang cute. Diba? Baunan. Charot. How much? $2,700. $2,700.
we have on the other side, we might have a what size is your phone?
Well, right now it's a 10, but I'm gonna upgrade. Yeah. So I wanted to have a
That's kind of, I like this style.
Right. Wow. See? But I'm a gold person.
Yeah, but this you gotta take out when you go in the shower or go in the pool or ocean, or it can tarnish. So it's not like gold, right?
How
It's
much is it though?
not- Let's check for you.
So it's not gold.
No,
It's
it's just fashion jewelry. So
Okay.
if you're not careful,
It's so nice.
they look very nice.
So it comes inside. Fuck. $435. It's a fashion. It's an accessory, not gold. Guys, bumalik ako sa store. Bibiling ko yung shades. Ito binalikan ko guys. Kasi sa California 602 plus tax. Dito sa Hawaii 550 plus lower tax 4%. Pahala na. So bad news guys, wala silang new stock. Guys, wala silang bagong item. Ayaw kong bilhin yung nasa display kasi ang daming mark na. I tried my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough.
I won't.
Uwi na! Wala tayong souvenir sa Hawaii. So sad. Anyway, it's not meant for me. Maybe I'll buy it sa Europe. Peace out. Bye. Good night, guys.